Welcome. Today we're exploring the latest way to comment on a post using the Instagram app on your PC, thanks to the new update. If you love engaging with your favorite creators or friends but prefer using your desktop, this guide will make it effortless. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Instagram's official website. If you're not already logged in, enter your username and password to access your account. The desktop version has recently been upgraded, making it smoother and more intuitive for all your interactions. Once you're in, start by finding the post you want to comment on. You can scroll through your main feed to see what's new, or use the search bar at the top to look up a specific profile or hashtag. When you spot a post that catches your attention, click on it to open it fully. Now look just below the post for the comment icon. It usually looks like a little speech bubble. Give it a click, and the comments section will open up right away. Here you'll see what others have said, and you'll also find a text box waiting for your thoughts. Click inside the text box and type your comment. Whether you're leaving a compliment, asking a question, or just sharing a quick emoji, this is your space to express yourself. Take a moment to review your comment and make sure it's just how you want it. When you're ready, click the Post button. Instantly, your comment will appear below the post, visible to everyone who visits. It's a simple way to join the conversation, show support, or connect with others in the Instagram community. With these new updates, commenting on Instagram from your PC is more convenient than ever. So go ahead, share your thoughts, and make your presence known, right from your desktop. Happy commenting!